Hey, everyone. Welcome back to Mr. Khan. Today, we're going to talk about how to create a simple monthly budget, perfect for beginners. Whether you want to take control of your money, save more, or stop overspending, this video is for you. So let's get started. First things first, what is budgeting? Simply put, budgeting means creating a plan for your income and expenses. It's a roadmap for how you'll spend your money each month. Budgeting helps reduce financial stress and gives you a clear picture of where your money is going. Step 1. Know your total monthly income. This includes your salary, freelance work, interest income, or any side hustles. It's important to focus on your net income. That's the money you actually take home after taxes and deductions. Step 2. Start tracking every expense you have. This includes rent, groceries, utilities, transportation, entertainment, and savings. You can review your bank statements or receipts from the past month or two to get an accurate idea. There are plenty of apps like Mint, Inab, or even simple spreadsheets that make expense tracking easy. There are two types of expenses, fixed and variable. Fixed expenses stay the same every month, like rent, insurance, or loan payments. Variable expenses change monthly. Think groceries, dining out, shopping, and entertainment. Now, let's create a budget using a simple formula. 50% needs. Use 50% of your income for essentials like rent, groceries, utilities, and healthcare. 30% wants. Allocate 30% for things you want but don't necessarily need. Movies, dining out, hobbies. 20% savings. Save at least 20% for your future, emergency fund, retirement, or paying off debt. This 50/30/20 rule is a great starting point for beginners. Once you have a budget, the key is sticking to it. Here are some tips. Use budgeting apps to keep an eye on your spending. Review your budget every month and make adjustments if needed. Avoid impulse purchases by reminding yourself of your financial goals. Use your emergency fund only for unexpected expenses. Some common mistakes beginners make include spending more than they earn, not tracking expenses accurately, ignoring savings altogether, creating a budget but not updating it over time. To avoid these, stay consistent and disciplined with your budgeting. That's it for today. Start your simple monthly budget with these steps and take control of your finances. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up, subscribe, and hit the bell icon for more money management tips. Also, share your budgeting experiences in the comments below. I'd love to hear from you.